For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
The threat of the ongoing deadly virus continues across the world. While most of them are prone to get infected by COVID-19, now research has proven that few people are more vulnerable to COVID-19 and face severe complications. Emerging reports suggest that COVID can have a lasting impact on your body even after you recover, and people with low immunity or chronic problems are most prone to danger. Studies show that those suffering from comorbidities and pre-existing health conditions carry a higher risk of severe infections and even fatality. Yes, globally it is estimated that 71% of COVID-related deaths were due to comorbidities. So if you do not take the guidelines given seriously, then it can be a grave mistake, especially if you are someone who belongs to a high-risk category. Why does immunity lower down with certain health conditions? Certain infectious and non-communicable diseases are known to impair your immunity because health conditions can affect your metabolism and make it easier for germs and viruses to enter the system. Reportedly, certain infections can also interfere with hormonal production in the body, making it more difficult for the system to generate a proper immune response. It is important for all of us to do what we can do to stay away from the virus. However, people suffering from these health conditions should be more cautious to prevent contracting the deadly disease. If you are battling obesity, then it is a risky health condition which makes a person more prone to developing problems like diabetes, hypertension, and heart disease. Based on the recent studies, being overweight puts a lot more pressure on your body and increases inflammation, which leads to breathing difficulties, which may be one of the prime reasons why respiratory complications can arise. Apart from these factors, obesity can slow down your metabolic levels and make it harder for you to fight infections, which will lead into another problem where recovery can take a longer time than usual. For a person who is suffering from diabetes, it just doesn't simply affect the body's blood glucose levels, but also compromises on the insulin production levels in the body. When it goes for a spin, it can have lasting complications, especially on the immunity, making a person more prone to contracting COVID-19. Cancer patients who are undergoing treatment are more prone to carry a higher risk for COVID-19 and mortality from the infection as well, making it super risky. Since people who are going through the treatment for cancer have less immunity power, will be fighting to root healthy white blood cells in the body, it is difficult for them to survive if the person contracts the virus. If you have hypertension, if you have been diagnosed with any form of kidney disease, and if you are suffering from chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, you will have to be more careful. Just remember, having more than one risk factor can make it more complicated. So here are a few general precautions one must follow, COVID or no COVID. Wash your hands and practice essential hygiene. Sanitize and disinfect places where you spend time. Avoid places and surfaces where the risks of infection are high. Always watch out for any swellings, redness, or unusual spottings which can be linked to signs of worry. Eat a rich, nutritious diet. If you are immunocompromised, do not expose others to risk too. Don't miss out on your meds and supplements you have been advised by the doctor. Hope you all stay safe and take required safety measures to deal with the current situation.